So after registering, it will lead you to a page like this, and you can either skip and go straight to your dashboard or your shop, or you can click on Let's Go to customize it. And for this tutorial purpose, I will just click on Let's Go. So when you click on Let's Go, it will load for some seconds. We see something like this, which we have your store. And the first one is for you to put your logo. So you can put your logo here. And for now, I don't have any images because it's new. So I click here to upload my image. And I have an image I want to use. Okay, so let's say I have a logo like this I want to use. So I click on the logo I want to use and I click on open. So the logo will be uploaded for me. Okay, so this is the logo I want to use. So I click on select and I have my logo here. And the next one is for me to choose a banner, which will be like a big image showing my product. But I can equally skip this or come back and check on it. But here I want to use a banner. I want to use this banner. Oh, this is actually a logo I have taken and not a banner because it's for tutorial purpose. I'm going to leave it. And from here, my shop name is still here, my telephone number, all these details are here. And here your location. So for instance, if I want my location, I can put something like Kasua and the country I should choose, and the map will pick Kasua for me. You can resize or position it how you want to be. Now here is the shop description, and it has to be a brief introduction of what your shop is about. So I can go like it is express shop for both male and female wears. Let's say this is my shop, then I click on continue. Now the second section is how you want your money to be paid to you. And from here you can choose PayPal, you can choose bank transfer, cash pay. And with this section you can equally skip it because this is not how customers will pay you. This is should in case you have money with us, how you want us to be paid to you. And I'm going to choose cash pay here and click continue. So the second option is your store policies, and the policies has to do with your shipping policy, your refund policy, and whatever policy you have. So from here, what should be the name of your policies? And instead of this store policy, I would want to go like my store name. So demo 123 policies. So it will appear like demo 123 and the policies, shipping policies. So let's say we ship that same day. But you should have a shipping policy. If you don't have, you can consult us and we can equally use the marketplace shipping policy for you. Okay. And here is refund policy. In case someone buys a product and the product isn't what the person bought, what happens? So we have like we offer 100% back. Back should be put together. Okay, so this is it. And our cancellation, return, and exchange policy. Cancellation is in case someone buys the product and after some few seconds wants to cancel it, what happens? So we offer an uh, free cancellation. And the next one has to be returns. So we don't offer free returns. So we offer returns of products at shipping cost of the customer. So, and from then, the next one has to do with exchange policies. Exchange is supposed to be at the shipping. Okay, it's like when someone buys the product and it's like size S, which is small, and actually the person needs like size M. What happens? So and if someone comes for exchange, what happens? We still want to charge the person for the shipping cost. Okay, okay. So, so so after doing all this, then you click on continue. The next section has to do with what we call customer support, which takes into consideration the contacts, your email, your address, customers can see and reach you on. So here I'm just going to use autofill, and these are my telephone numbers, emails, location, and everything is here. And my country is Ghana, obviously. So when I finish, then I click on continue. Now, this section has to do with your search engine optimization. And one good thing is we offer you a free search engine optimization. And search engine optimization helps people to find your shop when they search for you. For instance, when someone goes to Google and type, I want kids clothing, Google shows a sample of kids' clothing within the locality, and this is what Google use in showing. So for here, you have to give your search engine a title. So for instance, I have like Demo 123, I sell smartphones accessories in Ghana. But because now my shop is into, let's say, kids' clothing, so I'm going to go with second one has to do with what we call meta description. And meta description is when you say something on Google or like Bing or whatever, the short writings that appears beneath the link is what we call the meta description. So here it has to be short, but it has to be very good. So here I can write but here is like meta keywords, and meta keywords are like keywords you think people will be using to search for product. Now, when people go online, what are some of the words they will be looking for? Some can go like polo shirt for it's go like shirts for boys. So these are some of the meta descriptions, meta keywords you should be writing. And it can go like, let's say, wedding for village. Oh, I just write a couple of keywords which people are likely to use to search for products that I sell. You just have to be smart here and list a couple of them. And you can do the same thing for Facebook and Twitter, because Facebook and Twitter are somehow a little bit complex. So you can equally add an image of your choice. When you finish, you click on continue. Now here you are expected to put your social media handles. If you want people to connect to you on social media as well, you can input your social media handles here. For instance, I have my Facebook here, and I have my Twitter, I have my Facebook, and my Instagram links. So when people are looking for me, they just click on this link. It will lead them directly to my social media handles. Now, when you finish, you click on continue, and it takes you to the final step. Voila, you have the final stage when your shop is ready. So from here, you can go straight to your shop, or you can go and read a little bit on how to use your dashboard. So from here, I'm just going to go straight to my shop for you. Like this, then this is your dashboard where you have all your menu here and an intuitive